Children, welcome to the class of General Knowledge. Today we will begin with our half-yearly course with page number 7, Teeny Weeny Bugs. In this page we will study about different kinds of insects or bugs. Right? So let's begin reading. The first one, this burrowing bug. This burrowing bug is known for its amazing survival skills but has a difficult time living without soil. That is scorpion. Here is a picture of the scorpion given children. You can see here, this is the picture of the scorpion number 1. It has a burrowing skills. That means it is usually found in desert area where there is a lot of sand, and it dig holes in that and form burrows and live over there. And where there is no soil, then it is very difficult for them to live over there. These are poisonous insects, children, and these have insects in their tail area here. From here they inject poison into the body of the other animals, right, on which they inject their poison. Now, number 2, this spider looks really scary and creepy. However, its bite, though painful, is less poisonous than that of a bee. That is tarantula. In this, I'm talking about this tarantula. You can see from the picture, it has a very scary look. It will give shiver to you when you look at it. It is usually found in the places like America, Africa, Australia, in the desert area especially. Okay, and they are harmless. These look scary, but they are harmless, and they are very less poisonous, less than that of a bee. Their sting just develops redness and swelling in your body and nothing more, right? So they are less poisonous than a bee. Right, now number 3, its love for moisture makes it this glowing insect find home in humid regions. The answer is firefly, children. You can see firefly. So they have love for the moisture, means they live in wet areas. Why do they live in wet areas? Because they find their prey very easily in that area. They feed on some insect larvae, worms. Okay, they feed on them, and they are able to find it very easily in the wet areas or the humid regions, means wet areas. These are called fireflies, as these emit fire. The lower abdomen here emit fires, or they light up in order to scare their enemies. Okay, in other animals which can attack them, right? Okay, so these are called fireflies, and because of the presence of that one chemical in their body called luciferin, because of that they emit light. Okay, now number 4, known for its attractive color and unique spots, this insect has an appetite for plant-eating insects and thus is regarded as farmer's friend. Now I'm talking about ladybird. These are very colorful. You can see the red color with dots are there, some many other yellow color, blue, or they are also found in these colors. And these are called farmer's friend because they have an appetite, or they have a desire. They eat. They feed on which type of insect? Plant eating insect. Or we can say plant eating insects are called pest. What do you call plant eating insects? Pest. They feed on pest, and these pests destroy the crops. So when they eat on pest, they help farmers to protect their crops. The pest likes aphids. Okay, now children, moving ahead, number 5 we are talking about. This insect lives up to its name, considering the fact that it finds perfect camouflage among the twigs where it creeps and crawls. We are talking about stick insect. You can see the picture of stick insect here. It looks exactly like a stick which is walking on the branches of the tree. Okay, you cannot make it out whether it is a twig or an insect. And they have a good feature of camouflage, that is the adaptation for protection they have. They merge with the surroundings, and so that they often remain unnoticed by their enemies. Right, now number 6, this social insect builds hives by chewing wood into pulp and belongs to the wasp family. We're talking about hornet this time. Okay, now these are just like bees, the honey bees. They also live in hives. Okay, they make their hives. Honey bee makes their hive with the help of wax. They make their hive by chewing wood into pulp. They make it paper shape, and they make hives or their homes with the help of that, and they live in groups. They are social insects, means they live in groups, like where the queen is the head and queen only produces eggs. Okay, they belong to the wasp family, means the family of bees. Okay, and they are usually of yellow and black in color. Okay, now there is an important fact here. You can underline this line. The cockroach can survive for several days without its head. Okay, cockroach, you have seen cockroach, moving around somewhere in the house also. You must have noticed the cockroaches with the head and the abdomen. This lower part is called abdomen. They have legs. Okay, now these cockroaches can live without the head also for at least a week. Okay, that is a special strange feature about this cockroach. They can live without food for 1 month, but without water they just can live for 1 week only. And how they can live without head? Because they breathe through the holes in their abdomen, which are called spiracles. So though they don't need their head. And also head has brain which controls the body, which controls the action of the body. So here in the abdomen they have all the nervous system which controls the basic functions, which gives response to the outside thing. Okay, so basic nervous function which is controlled by their abdomen only. Abdomen part has the nervous system which controls their body functions. So they don't need their head. Okay, even without the head they can survive, but within 1 week they die. Why? Because of the thirst, because they have a mouth with which they drink water. So because of the thirst they die in 1 week. Okay, so that was a special fact here. So learn this, children. Yeah, I may give you the pictures, you have to recognize the picture, or I may give you the description and you have to guess the name of the insect here. All right, children. Okay, I hope you have understood the page. Okay, so next video will cover the next page. Thank you.